I'm gonna show you how to create a button to go to another page in Card. So to get started, you have to open your Card dashboard or Card account, and then from there you just have to go to Open Dashboard, and then from the Open Dashboard site, you will just have to select on your site right here, and then you just have to click on your edit website or view site, and from this page you will see a plus button icon right above the pane, right, this one, and then go to there and then click buttons, and then from there the button will automatically add into your page. Thus you need to customize it by clicking on the button right here. You just have to rename the label, and then from there you just have to I'm gonna type in go to another page, and then from the go to another page, once you're done editing the label, you just have to go to the URL. So when they click on the button, it will redirect you to the site that you wanted. So from here, I'm just gonna click on anything. I'm just gonna put google.com, and then from there you can customize the settings. You can scroll down or edit it. You can edit the button itself, so you can just go to you have to edit the background, or you can add more buttons to it, and then from there you can just click on appearances. You can change the style also. You can edit the animation, and then from there when you're done, you just have to click on done button. After that, you will see the button right here. You just have to save and publish this one, and then you have to test it out. So from there, you just have to click publish this site, and then once you're done, you just have to test the page, and when you're done, that's it. That's how to add a go to button page in Card.